In the vast and intricate realm of Greek mythology, Apollo emerges as one of the most important and multifaceted deities. Revered as the god of light, music, poetry, healing, and prophecy, he reflects a duality that embodies both the vitality and warmth of the sun, as well as its potential for destruction. Born to the mighty Zeus and the Titaness Leto, Apollo is the twin brother of Artemis. His birth is a dramatic tale, marked by his emergence fully grown and armored from the forehead of Zeus, which underscores his association with wisdom and intellect. This miraculous birth not only signifies his divine nature, but also establishes Apollo as a symbol of enlightenment and rational thought. Visually, Apollo is often portrayed as a handsome youthful figure who embodies idealized beauty and grace. He is commonly depicted wielding the lyre, a stringed musical instrument that symbolizes his connection to music and the arts, reflecting the power he holds as a divine muse. The laurel wreath, another of his recognizable symbols, serves as a reminder of his victory in affections and competitions, particularly in his love for the nymph Daphne, who was transformed into a laurel tree to escape him. Additionally, in later mythology, Apollo is shown driving a sun chariot across the sky, further emphasizing his association with light and illumination. As the god of the sun, Apollo represents clarity and enlightenment. His solar aspect highlights his role as a bringer of light, guiding mortals not only in the physical realm, but also in the pursuit of truth and knowledge. His influence extends into the realm of music and poetry, where he is revered as the divine patron for artists. Apollo inspires creativity and is frequently depicted as a leader of the muses, nurturing the artistic pursuits of humanity. In the domain of healing, Apollo embodies the capacity for both health and disease, showcasing the complexity of his powers. His association with medicine is deepened by his son, Asclepius, who becomes the god of healing in his own right, emphasizing Apollo's lasting legacy in the arts of health and well-being. Moreover, Apollo's prophetic nature is well known, most famously through the Oracle of Delphi, where he communicates with mortals, providing cryptic advice and guidance on important decisions. The stories that define Apollo are rich with themes of desire, creativity, and moral complexity. His birth narrative conveys not only the arrival of a powerful god, but also the significance of light emerging from darkness. In the poignant tale of Apollo and Daphne, we witness the complexities of love. Apollo's desire contrasts with Daphne's longing for autonomy. Her transformation into a laurel tree serves as a bittersweet resolution to their tumultuous relationship, and in honoring her, Apollo claims the laurel as a symbol of victory and remembrance. One of Apollo's more prominent mythological narratives involves a musical contest with the satyr Marsyas. After Marsyas finds a double flute and challenges Apollo to a duel, he suffers a tragic fate when he loses. Apollo punishes him by flaying him alive for his hubris, a grim reminder of the dangers of pride and the respect owed to divine figures. This myth highlights Apollo's artistic superiority while reinforcing the importance of humility in the face of talent. Apollo's relationships extend beyond romantic pursuits. He shares a close bond with his twin sister, Artemis. Together, they represent a balance between civilization and the wild, Apollo as the orchestrator of societal order and wisdom, and Artemis as the protector of nature and independence. While their domains differ, their connection showcases the profound ties that bind the Olympian gods. Throughout Greek mythology, Apollo is often depicted as a mediator and respected figure among the gods. His friendships with deities, such as Hermes, further illustrate his multifaceted character, balancing camaraderie with the responsibilities of divinity. His numerous liaisons with mortals and nymphs produce offspring that often embody the ideals he represents, leaving a legacy that extends far beyond his own actions. Apollo's cultural significance is deeply rooted in ancient Greece. Revered in festivals dedicated to him, such as the Pythian Games held at Delphi, these gatherings celebrated athletic competitions alongside artistic contests, reflecting his dual roles as a god of sport and inspiration. His presence influenced not only the landscape of Greek religion, but also its philosophy and art, representing the ideals of harmony, order, and beauty that were highly valued. In sum, Apollo stands as a vital and complex figure within Greek mythology, embodying an intricate balance between light and darkness, creativity and destruction, knowledge and mystery. His rich narratives and attributes continue to resonate in contemporary culture, inspiring a legacy rooted in ideals of beauty, artistry, and wisdom. As the god who personifies the myriad talents of the human experience, Apollo's influence endures, reminding us of the power of intellect and creativity in our lives.